Hi everyone! So for today, ituturo ko lang sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng eSIM dito sa ating mga LTE variants ng mga Galaxy Watches. So I currently have itong Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic na LTE variant. So nabili ko siya noong September and hindi ko siya ma-set up before sa eSIM. Pero ngayon is December, nakita ko na meron ng progress dun sa pag-setup nito. So, video ko siya ng real time para at least makita nyo kung paano yung proseso and kung ano yun na yung mga steps na gagawin natin. Okay? So, first thing is i-open mo yung Galaxy wearables. Make sure it's connected lang sa ating phone na gagamitin. So, makikita mo naman dito yung kung ano yung watch na connected sa phone ngayon. So, right here sa Galaxy Wearables app, scroll down ka lang and open mo yung watch settings. Okay, now after sa watch settings, you scroll down, select mo yung mobile plans, and then magsiset up lang siya very quick. Itatanong lang sa'yo, and then in-next mo lang. This may take a few minutes, depende sa provider ninyo. And before kasi hindi siya nagpo-push through, walang lumalabas na ganitong pop-up sa Globe. I'm using Globe ngayon. So ngayon, ilalagay mo lang dito yung mobile number mo. Take note, I'm also a postpaid subscriber sa Globe. Hindi ako prepaid. So I'm not sure if the same steps would follow para sa mga prepaid subscribers. So ilagay mo lang dito yung mobile number mo. Okay, then click send code. Then may magsisend dyan na code sa text. OTP lang siya. So ilalagay mo lang siya dito. Okay. Ngayon, proceed. Tapos nakalagay dito, confirm eSIM subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to add-on? ONENUMBER 199 for 199 pesos. This will be charged in addition to your monthly plan. So if gusto mong ma-charge every month ng 199 every month, then proceed ka sa subscribe. Pero for the sake of this video, isa-subscribe ko siya, and also gagamitin ko din kasi yung watch. Especially if I want to jog and I don't want to bring my phone with me. So pwede kong iwan yung cellphone ko sa car or sa bahay, and then I'll just bring my watch and I'll be able to get call and text notifications dito sa aking Galaxy Watch. So I can jog with the watch without bringing my phone. Okay, so subscribe lang tayo for 200 pesos. And then may mga terms and conditions dito. Feel free to read it. And then accept lang natin. Then click next. Then just give a moment to activate your 199 add-on. Pairing successful, and then done. Yan. Registered to add-on. The offer will auto-renew every month. To know more about Globe eSIM device pairing, visit globe.co.onenumber. Okay, then done lang natin siya. So magka-configure lang siya ulit. Yan, set up Globe number plan on your watch. Then nakalagay ito, okay, use plan. Setting up mobile plan. Check natin yung watch, baka may progress. Finishing setup. Then successful. You can now call, text, and go online from your watch even when your phone is not with you. Okay, done. So ngayon, kailangan natin siyang i-check. So if you go to mobile plans dun sa Wearables app, makita mo nandyan na yung Globe. Dito, in service, Globe name, then plan details. Ngayon. Okay. Ngayon, let's check on the watch itself kung ano yung mga pwedeng makita. Okay. So ayan, na-configure na natin yung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic natin sa LTE. So meron na siyang eSIM ngayon. Now to check kung connected siya, you can see na meron siyang signal bars. Ayan, sa may gilid ng LTE. Not sure if you can see it. Ayan. And then meron siyang LTE na icon next to the Bluetooth. Also, you can check dito sa settings, then connections, na it's connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and at the same time, naka-on yung mobile network niya. And let's check yung mobile network. Ayan, mobile data, naka-enable. Network mode is LTE 3G, so walang 5G. Kasi I don't think smartwatches need 5G connection. Hindi naman ganun ka-demanding yung data usage ng mga smartwatch natin. All they need is for notifications ng email, chats, little bit of Google Maps, or sa Strava if you're running or jogging. So, ayan yung mga ginagamit nilang data. Ayan. So, ayun. And then, mobile networks, you can see, if you click on the Find Networks, you'll be able to see Globe. Okay? And this version is not the Globe locked version. Hindi ko siya nakuha sa Globe. I bought this from Samsung online. So you can see other networks as well. And so I think whenever I go to a different country, I can also add an eSIM dito sa smartwatch na to so that I can use it as a call and text for, travel. Ayan. Okay, and then mobile plans, you can see it's connected to Globe, and service provider, name, and plan details. Alright, and let's check if i-off natin yung Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, if it's still connected to the mobile data. Ayan. So you can see there's an icon na parang cloud upload and download, and then there's voice over LTE, 4G icon, and then you have the signal bars. So going back to the settings, i-on ko yung Wi-Fi and Bluetooth again. Let's try the auto mode. Okay, so automatically siyang mobile data whenever there's no internet connection via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So now, let's try to turn off our phone. Okay. So turning off our phone. You can see it's still connected, Bluetooth. I think I need to turn off the Wi-Fi din pala. Okay, so right now, Bluetooth is turned off. It's trying to look for a device. So you can see it's notifying me that it's not connected to my phone. Okay, so let me just dismiss that. And then you can also see here that it's not connected to Wi-Fi because I turned it off. But it's connected to LTE 4G, and it has a signal for call and text, and it's connected to Globe. So ayan. So I think mas usable to para sa mga tao na nagra-running. If you don't want to bring your phone while running, then you can just leave it, and then you'll be able to receive notifications, call and text via your smartwatch. So that's one good feature that is now enabled here in the Philippines. And recently, ngayon ko lang siya na-configure because back in September nung nabili ko tong watch na to, hindi ko siya ma-configure. So I called up Globe and sabi nila punta na lang ako sa branch, but then I don't have the time to line up and then just for them to configure the watch. So I just waited, baka magkaroon sila ng additional updates sa mga ganitong kasing request. So I checked it out nitong nakaraan lang, and then ayun, nakita ko na may progress na dun sa mismong pag-configure ng LTE sa mga smartwatch. So I hope it also do the same sa mga other smartwatch na brands like Huawei, Xiaomi, or any LTE version ng mga smartwatch like mga Apple. So for this video, I'm just testing out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic kasi yun yung nabili ko. And yun, I think it's a good feature to have. Okay, now let's try to make a phone call siguro. Ayan, so right now it's ringing. Ayan, so I'm testing it out. Okay, so it works. So end lang natin yung call. So you can see, you can call landline, you can call any mobile phones that are in your contacts, or you can dial in manually using the dialer. Ito, and you can use your watch or your phone for your voice. But right now, my phone is turned off, so hindi siya na-enable. Okay, so ayun lang. Very quick lang na tutorial and demo on how the LTE is configured dito sa smartwatch na to, and you can see na it's functioning. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and also I'll try to make an update kapag nagamit ko na siya yung pure LTE lang outside. Hopefully next month matry ko siyang magamit na purely LTE lang. I'll leave my phone somewhere before running, or just doing a quick walk outside the neighborhood. I'll do a review kung umiinit ba yung watch, how long is the battery life, because right now you cannot determine the battery life because kaka-configure niya lang. So it takes a few days or maybe a week para ma-configure and ma-estimate talaga ng UI kung gaano katagal yung battery life niya kapag naka-on yung mobile data niya. Okay, so I'll try to test that out, and then if I have some results, I'll share it with you guys. Ayun, and yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.